You can eat it with a spoon or bite right into it. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you delicious cherimoyas. If you haven't tried them before, definitely give it a try. It tastes sweet and creamy, and you can't really compare it to any other fruit because it just tastes amazing. You could perhaps say it tastes a little bit like banana cream with vanilla, but I think it tastes totally different, and the texture is very, very beautiful. It's very creamy and delicate. This is advantage number one. Number two, cherimoya is high in vitamin C. It's got 21% vitamin C inside, which is great. Apart from that, I read that cherimoya is good against cancer. It destroys the cancer cells without attacking any healthy cells of your body. That's advantage number three. Cherimoya is great against gray hair. It's got the copper enzyme, which you need in order to have beautiful, healthy hair. So, if you're looking for a recipe against gray hair, here it comes. Give it a try. I've never tried it, but I very often heard from people who went raw vegan about their experience with changing the hair color. One of my friends, when she went raw vegan, she came to me 6 months later and she was thrilled. She said she doesn't have to color her hair anymore. She was 42 back then, and she was amazed about this really fast change. And she wasn't even trying to change her hair color in the first place. She just wanted to start feeling better. She wanted to become fitter and so on. So those were her main reasons for going raw vegan. But when her hair started changing its color, she was amazed. And I think these little things, these little bonuses are just fun, aren't they? They shouldn't be your goal, of course, because if that's your only goal, then you might get disappointed. And if it doesn't work out, then you go back to cooked food, and that's no fun at all. You can make powder out of unripe cherimoya and treat lice with it. Can you imagine that? That's unbelievable. I've never heard of it. I think that's a great thing, because who needs all those chemicals for lice treatment? Why not try it with fruit powder if it's possible? I've never tried it, but if you want to give it a try, let me know how it worked for you, because it would be interesting to find out. We need more people trying new things. We can create a new path by simply walking it. Cherimoya is full of antioxidants. Run out and buy loads and loads of cherimoyas for yourself and your family. I found these cherimoyas in our local health food store, and they cost €4.49 for 1 kilogram, which is a great deal, because usually when you go to our farmer's market, you could pay around €2.50 for one cherimoya, which is much more expensive, and they're not even organic. And these ones are organic cherimoyas from Spain. They originally come from Ecuador. I'm so glad we have them in Spain now. I'm really happy that I can have them here. A very ripe cherimoya looks like this. It's quite dark, and you can eat it right away. This one is also ripe. Then we have this one, which is quite hard, and you should wait 1 or 2 days until you open it. I think it's such a beautiful shape, isn't it? Heart shape. It's beautiful. These ones you could open because they're quite soft. So you always have to check, are they soft enough or not? And if they're soft enough, you can open them. Now I'm going to open one cherimoya for you so that you can look inside and get inspired and try one as well. Here we go. This is our beautiful cherimoya. You can eat it with a spoon or bite right into it. But I'm not going to be too wild today. So let's give it a try. Cherimoyas are usually full of seeds, so I have to make sure not to swallow them. Otherwise, there's going to be a huge cherimoya tree growing out of your tummy. No, I'm not going to swallow it. Now I have a little homework for you. Run out immediately, buy some cherimoyas, find out what they taste like. Find out whether you like them, and let me know what was your experience like. How much did they cost? What did your family think? That would be very interesting to find out. And I think the more of us start buying this wonderful fruit, the more we will be able to buy it. Because I always go to the health food store and I ask, do you have cherimoyas? And sometimes they don't have it. Sometimes I have to order it. It would be great if more people start buying cherimoyas or any other tropical fruit or just fruit in general. And then we can just start enjoying life so much more. Let me know how you like this beautiful fruit. Write me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I'll see you again soon. Have a great fruity day and keep rocking. Take care, everyone. Mwah.